If you're over 60 and looking for a simple and safe way to boost your health, just simply walking is one of the best and easiest things you can start doing right away. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment or even hours of your time. All you need is a comfortable pair of shoes and a willingness to take that first step. Walking can do so many things for you, including helping strengthen your heart, improve your balance, boost your energy, reduce stress, and keep your joints moving smoothly. And the best part? It's never too late to start. Start slow and listen to your body. When beginning a walking routine, the key is to start small. Think of it like warming up your body for a longer journey ahead. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes at a comfortable pace, the kind where you can still talk without getting out of breath. This helps your muscles, joints, and lungs ease into the movements without feeling too overwhelmed. Pay attention to how your body responds at first. A little stiffness at first can be normal, but sharp pain, dizziness, and unusual shortness of breath are signs to slow down or take a break. Your body will tell you what it can handle, and honoring those signals is the best way to stay safe and consistent. Choose the right gear and environment. Walking doesn't require much, but a good pair of shoes makes a world of difference. Look for something cushioned, supportive, and comfortable enough that you could wear them for a half an hour without thinking about your feet. Clothing should be light, breathable, and suited to the weather. If you want an idea of some good sneakers to start with, companies such as New Balance and Skechers make some great options. I'll leave a link to a couple of amazing walking shoes and some cushioned socks in the description down below. Where you walk matters too. Smooth sidewalks, quiet neighborhoods, parks, indoor tracks, or even just walking around shopping malls are great options, especially if weather or balance concerns may be an issue. And if you prefer a little extra safety or motivation, consider walking with a partner or in a small group. A walking buddy can make the activity more enjoyable and, most importantly, help you stay accountable. It can be hard to always find the motivation to get up and go for a walk, but having someone as your walking partner can be a helpful way to keep you both motivated. Set simple and achievable goals. One of the easiest ways to stay consistent is by setting small, realistic goals. Aim for something like 10 minutes a day, 4 or 5 days a week. And as you get used to it, you can slowly build from there. Keeping track of your progress is also a great idea. Even something as simple as jotting down that you walked 10 minutes today can help you see how far you've come. A basic step counter or phone app that counts your steps can be motivating as well, but it's totally optional. The real goal is making walking a regular part of your routine, not necessarily hitting any type of specific number. Build a routine you can stick to. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Remember, as with any type of exercise, consistency is king. It's not good enough just to walk once and then take a month's break. It's walking day after day, week after week, that is going to get you the results that you're looking for. Choose a time of day that naturally fits your schedule, maybe after breakfast, after lunch, or in the early evening. Creating a routine helps walking feel like a natural part of your day instead of something that you have to remember to do. If motivation dips, try switching things up. Grab a pair of wireless headphones and try listening to music, a podcast, or even an audiobook that you've been wanting to get through. You could explore new walking routes or even ask a friend or family member to join you once a week. And remember, some days will be tougher than others, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's just persistence. You may consider getting a fitness tracker as well. You don't necessarily need one, but many people find a simple Fitbit keeps walking fun and helps them stay motivated. Again, I'll link a few options in the description, so be sure to check them out after the video. How to improve over time. As your body gets used to walking, you can slowly increase the challenge. Think of progress like climbing a staircase, just one small step at a time. Here's a few easy ways to improve. You can add a couple of minutes each week. Going from 10 minutes to 12 minutes doesn't seem like much, but those small increases add up fast. You can walk a little faster, try a slightly quicker pace for 30 seconds, and then return to normal. This mini interval will boost your cardiovascular fitness. Change the terrain. Finding places with gentle hills, like parks or trails, help strengthen your legs and improve balance. Incorporate simple strength exercises. Moves like calf raises, heel-to-toe walking, or squats can help you walk better and feel steadier on your feet. The goal is not to push yourself to exhaustion, just to give your body a little more challenge over time so you continue to see benefits. Safety tips that you should know. These few simple precautions can make your walking routine safer and more enjoyable. Make sure to warm up with some slow-paced walking or gentle stretching before starting your walk. Also, make sure to stay hydrated, even on shorter walks, especially in the summer months. Try and avoid extreme heat, cold, or any icy sidewalks. And remember to talk to your doctor before starting if you have any major health concerns. Remember, staying safe keeps your routine sustainable, and that's what we're looking for. Starting a walking routine after 60, or at any age really, is one of the most powerful decisions you can make for your long-term health. And the best part is how simple it really is. One step today, another tomorrow, and steady progress over time. With consistency, patience, and small improvements each week, you'll move with more and more confidence and feel more energized and enjoy a healthier and more independent life. It just starts with that first step and following it up with consistency after that. So lace up your shoes, step outside, and begin your journey. Believe me, your future self will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, share it with a friend who could use a little motivation, and keep moving forward one step at a time. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content on fitness and health over 60. Cheers.